So Dad's got you working already, huh? You cleaning the floors? Yeah? You mopping them? You missed a spot. Okay, get over there to the left. Go to the left. Alright, hurry up. And then get the toilets when you're done. We don't have all day, Chloe. Let's go. Come on.